Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll in order to find password and security. Now let's tap on the fingerprint. Of course, give all the permissions, and here we've got the information that we have to set the kind of usual screen lock before we will be able to add the fingerprint. Of course, if you've got the lock screen currently set, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you will have to do it right now, so simply pick the option you want to use. And basically it is important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. So let's tap on continue. Let me draw it, redraw it, and that works. All right. Right now, we've got a tip which simply states that you have to be aware when you're using some different screen protectors than recommended from the developer. So just tap on OK. And as you can see, right here we've got the sensor, so all we have to do, according to this animation, we have to put our finger on it, and right now just do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner, of course, for better recognition, every part of your finger. Alright, so right now the edges. Alright, and as you can see, we just successfully added the fingerprint. You can add another or simply tap on done. I don't want to use the face unlock. And here we've got the section with the fingerprint options. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or delete it if you want to. You can add another fingerprint. Here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, so the screen unlock, which is active by default, and the app lock private safe. Here you've got also the quick launch and the fingerprint animation, and you can decide whether you want to show the fingerprint icon on the screen, of course when the screen is off. Let me show you the fingerprint animation. As you can see, you can change it just by tapping on the proper option. I mean proper, of course the option you like, and go back. So right now all we have to do is to basically lock the device, and let's check if it is working. So let's wait, we should see the sensor. Let's put the finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.